Welcome to the language world. Today we're learning daily routines. Then, let's get started. To wake up.
Aufwachen.
To get up.
Aufstehen.
To brush teeth.
Zähne putzen.
To wash face.
Gesicht waschen.
To have breakfast.
Frühstücken.
To take a shower.
Duschen.
To go to work.
Zur Arbeit gehen.
To go to school.
Zur Schule gehen.
To study.
Studieren.
To work.
Arbeiten.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.